So Banukund. So not only Banamarachi base here, I try to keep it more Lila Katha and less philosophy because I'm a little bit too much on the philosophy side. That's why I have to read. Because if I just don't read, I'll just speak philosophy, then you'll fall asleep. So this is also Radharani's playground. So back to Bhakti Ratnakar. Narhari Chakravarti very nicely has very nice phrases glorifying these places. He says it's Radha Krita Stan. Radha Krita Stan, which is probably straight Hindi. Krita. Krita means Kailana. Playing. Stan means place, same as Hindi. It's her playground, her play place. Because in some kalpas, in some different kalpas, Nimbarkis have this conception. It's also verified in Shastra. In some kalpas, Radharani appears in Barsana. We, Gaudiya Vaishnavas, we worship, everyone, all Radha Krishna Bhaktas, they worship the birth of Krishna and Radha. Some say Krishna is born in Mathura. We also agree. But that's, our acharyas explained it's a different Krishna, which most people can't digest. We say our Krishna is born in Nandagan, and our Radharani is born in Gokul. And then in Raval, nearby. And then Krishna moves to Gokul. So in some kalpas, some big age periods, millenniums, Radharani is born here in Barsana and grows up. And where is she born? In Banukund. So it all begins with birth. Divya birth. Krishna says in Gita, Janma karma chame divyam, evam yo vati tatvata tyaktvam dehu panarjama nayati mamati sorjana. He says, O Arjun, O Parth, if you understand divyam, janma karma chame divyam, if you understand the transcendental nature of my birth and my activities, my lila, Krishna has no karma. Karma is here for us. We're in the karma bhumi. He's in the lila bhumi. Bhagavan lives in lila bhumi, prema bhumi. We live in karma bhumi. Janma mrityu jaya vyadi dukkha doshana darshanam. Krishna is lila purushottam. And this is Madhurya Lila Dham Vrindavan. And he only has lila. Lila means play. Lila is a Sanskrit word. Lila. It's a sandhi. So li means alingata. Alingata means loving embrace. You lovingly embrace your mother, your sister, your brother, your father, your chacha, your mama, or whatever, masi. So that's love. And then your husband, boyfriend, whatever, girlfriend. So that's alingata. And la means to take, to accept. Lay low. Take this. Take lay low, lay low. So lila means to accept. Krishna is lila purushottam. He's the Uttam Purush. He's the topmost supreme Adi Purush, original person, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. And he's very eager for what? He's very thirsty for love. Love is a ras. Love is a ras. Ras is a liquid. Liquid is a taste. Taste gives sensation. Sensation gives pleasure. Pleasure gives anand. Anand gives shanti. When you're in bliss, you're peaceful. When you're not blissful, you're agitated. Like when you're hungry, you're not in bliss. You're agitated. Then when you eat chak bhog, then aram.